everyone, today we will make different type of face packs ice cube with kitchen ingredients. Applying ice cube all over the face has got many health benefits like appeasing you from stress, sort out problem of acne, blemishes, wrinkles and much more. Ice cubes have got a massive number of beauty benefits when they are packed with some kitchen ingredients. Let's hop into types of ice cube face packs. Now I'm making cucumber ice cube face pack. Cucumber are widely used to remove the dark circles, eye puffiness and the wrinkles as it contains antioxidants. It also contains vitamin C and folic acid. Vitamin C stimulates new cell growth and folic acid fights from environmental toxin that makes your skin prematurely aged. It helps your skin look firmer and healthier. Lemon acts as an astringent and helps in closing skin pores, which result in tightening your face skin. Blend the cucumber with lemon and rose water and filter the juice well before freezing it. Those suffering from acne and pimples, beetroot is the best ingredient as this pack solves almost maximum skin problem. It will benefit you with soft and pinkish lips, ageless and spotless skin and glowing face. Beetroot contains vitamin C that prevents skin pigmentation, thereby providing fairer complexion. Its rich source of iron, phosphorus and protein gives you healthy and pinkish skin. Regularly applying this pack will not only fade away dark circle but also retrieve you from stress. Grate the beetroot with 1 spoon of multani mitti and 50 ml of milk. You can also add rose water to the mixture. Filter its juice. Lemon are best suited for oily skin. The astringent and antioxidant properties in the lemon will eliminate large pores, acne and blackheads. In this, just dilute the juice of the lemon with water and add rose water to it. This liquid is ready to get frozen. Milk is the best moisturizer for the face. It enhances the skin complexion and adds a natural glow. Milk has also antioxidant which flush out the toxin from the skin and also greatly helps in detanning. Honey has an anti-acne property and speeds up the skin cells healing process. Simply mix 2 spoons of honey and rose water and blend it well with milk. This mixture is ready to freeze. Tomatoes are beneficial in detanning, lightening, and whitening of the skin. It has soothing and astringent properties which help in reducing excess sebum on the skin, which prevents from oil buildup and further reduces blackheads and whiteheads. Rose water has anti-inflammatory properties which reduces skin redness, acne, and dermatitis. Grate the tomato pieces with tablespoon of honey and rose water. Filter it well to get its diluted liquid. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory properties and has natural antibacterial nature, which cures acne inflammation, reduces puffy eyes, and we can get rid of oily skin. Curd contains lactic acid, which helps in exfoliating dead skin and keep the skin smooth. Multani mitti fights with acne and pimples, remove excess sebum and oil from skin, act as a deep cleanser and treat tanning and pigmentation. Take 25 gram of curd, half tablespoon of turmeric and half spoon of multani mitti with rose water. Blend it well before freezing it. Now I am ready with different kind of juice mixture. Let them freeze for 3 to 4 hours in a freezer before applying on the face. You can use clean soft cloth for applying ice cube on face, or if you don't want to use cloth, wear gloves. Don't apply ice straight out of the freezer as it can damage capillaries. Also place extra cloth nearby to wipe off excess water that runs down your face. Move eyes in gentle circular motion and do this on your chin, jawline, cheeks, forehead, nose, and below the nose. Also, don't apply it more than 15 minutes.